Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I will talking about to Iec. Okay, Nom. Nom is a acronym according for Norma Visual Mexicana. It's a technique regulation that must accomplish the different products, the process or service for be able to commercialize, and they also have to character obligatory. Okay, and this norm have all things and covering all things in electronic devices and foods and whatever. We can appreciate this picture according for the list in the nutritional side. It is according for the rule, the etiquetado, this norm. Okay. What is why is important now? Okay, it's important to know because it covers all types of product or consume. The compliance to norm assistance regulation the product. And else the exportation and importation is one of the. Okay, if if we not applicate that norm, it's impossible make the other process. For example, the exportation and importation into this country and another country. Okay, the norm are even to schools and jobs. For example, according for the norm 035, it is necessary working environment available for discomforting jobs. This norm accomplish the fine can be more than 400 pesos. Okay, is the foul, la sanción, if not accomplished this norm. It is applied in all. Okay, the fines if can be an millionary quantity. Okay, this norm always identify the analysis risk factor, improve better condition for the jobs. Okay, we can appreciate some occasion in a job. The next is how check the norm. Okay, there exists civil independent organism named verification units. They are the valid by technique committee and administrative that depending the economy security in our dependence. Okay, this is according for the personnel have they must research the different aspects according for a factory, a store, a restaurants, and whatever places to applicate this norm in Mexico. Okay, if by some reason the verification does not accept to send out the certificate, the client, for example, me, can give the information facing on organisms that causing the verification. Okay, the cost of the service of verifier and the equal of the laboratory use them. Those are causing throughout the economy secretary. Okay, for example, in Mexico is Profeco. Okay, this is for example is an example for according for verification units. Okay, which norm is important in those fields. Okay, para no recibir multas. Es possible. No es impossible. It's necessary follow this some norms. For example, we have the norm 004 according for the 2006 commercial information, delivering the textile products, clothing, and accessories on household line. Okay? we can see a lot of rules for the commercial possible. For example, the norm 003 is according for the environmental health. Okay, is for the medicine or the alimentation. Okay. Aquí in here we can't see the other rules. Is commercial information, general beginner specification, commercial, and automotive industry is according for the lubrication, noise, and gasoline. Okay. This norm is like another norms like ISO, like Ansi, cover the all aspects according for the consuming and gear service. Okay. The next point is an Iec. Iec is according for International Electrotechnical Commission. The organization is global leader for prepare to make public international standards of electronic technology, electronic and relation. Okay. He was created in approximately 1906. Have a lot of time for existence. Why is important? Okay. The first point we can read in that say allow reduction techniques of are appropriate of the countries that produce participate labor to normalization for Iec approximately 200 experts with high rank for company, for industry or business, and even the government. Okay. For this reason, it's very, very important follow these aspects. Okay, it's necessary understand that the Iec and ISO having the same hand. Okay, to support the technical aspect of social police and environmental, and they contribute the developments the sustainable of the world. The other point is how are checked the like norm. Okay, how this norm is international need follow more similar than aspect like okay. For example, Mexico released by an international committee which the tried by the General Directory on Standard of the Ministry and Economy are the representatives of the public and private companies. Test laboratories, standardization, and regulatory boards participates the Continuing Commission on Energy, Regulator, and the Federal Telecommunication Institute. Okay, the other point is the graphic symbols. Okay, is for put example for mention some rules. Okay, exhaustive rank on contained in the Iec. Okay, is according for I said in the previous diapositives. The ISO go in the same hand. Standard and internationality are great graphical symbols. Okay, the ISO 701 and 2007 graphic symbols. Okay, simple information of the public. They uses the symbol have the outcome language version of fields like road safety or energy and situation. Okay. If for some reason a plane, un plano with the electrical character, no find no have the specification, it's impossible do and decorate this diagram like official. Okay, it has all, and here are the reference current for these parts. Okay, before big a grandes rasgos going for these aspects. Okay, igual es important cover the other aspects. Okay, is according for the other topics.
Dale. Okay, we're going to talk about ISO and Ansi with my classmate Irvin. The first topic is ISO. The name is International Organization for Standardization. Now the installed ISO is an organization for the creation of various international reports composed of various national standardization organizations. ISO standards on industrial instrumentation. I'm gonna say examples of application about ISO. I have here some pictures, and I'm going to say the rest of the applications. The first one, symbols of general application, connection and related devices, actors and related devices, measurement and control devices, measurement and control functions, basic mechanical components, valves and dampers, pumps, compressor and fans, fluid power converts, devices for heat transfer and heat engines, devices for separating, purifying and mixing, and the last one is diagram of installation of new world maps. The purpose of ISO is the final form is to create a library of harmonized graphic symbols for diagram use in technical applications. My classmate Irvin, he going to talk about Ansi.
Yes, the other topic is the Ansi, that is an organization which oversees the development of the standards of the service, products, processes, and system of the United States. As the name says, ANSI is a part of the International Organization for Standardization of ISO, and my partner says that is an international and the International Electronical Commission. Well, ANSI, it's the standardization of the measures in the American state that can be also part of the ISO. That ISO is an international that can be, if ANSI want to transport a device or something, they need to know the rules or the standardization of ISO to do that. Here we have different standards of Ansi that you can see here the standard identification and instrumentation symbols, the binary logical diagram of process operations, and a lot more, like graphic symbols for distribute control, charger development, instrumentation, logical and computerized systems. Also we have another that is the instrumentation loop diagrams and a graphic symbol for the process identification. And then we have here our conclusion, our personal conclusion of me and my partner Perez Ivan Pablo, and that is all of for our presentation.